madman over here, this way, over here, doing some things, seeing what's going on with the car. Hopefully it's not broken. I hope I didn't break it. Got it on the dyno. Actually kind of interested to see what the car is going to do on this dyno. What do you think?
180.
180?
Oh, nah, I think a little bit more. We'll see what we can get out of it.
Actually, I'm curious to see what other people think what the car will do. Car strapped in. We got the fans going. Sean's doing what he does best, which is something. Got the car all nice and ready to go to get some readings. And now it's just time to do some pulls and see what's going on and see how we pull, see what happens. I'm hoping we get a little increase just from fueling and get some nice numbers. But apparently this reads lower than usual, so might not be fantastic numbers, but hey, I'm okay with that as long as it runs better. And maybe a little bump in torque never hurts. So far we've done about 5 pulls, and this man was able to pull out like, I don't know, 10 horsepower out of the first out of the first one, because the first one was about a 288, and not this last one, but the one before that was a 298. So almost 300, which is nice. So obviously, like from what we've done with MCE racing, it's a little bit less. I mean, a lot less, but I think at the same time having different options or different ways of being able to measure these things is always good. So we're still just doing a couple little cam things to kind of figure out what's the best timing, like either slowing it down, speeding it up. But for now, I mean, the car is running really well. It's still doing some really weird things here and there. I think something dealing with the fuel management system or something like that, as far as the control unit might be off, but we're figuring that out. But car's running good, everything's sounding good, numbers are looking great, things are starting to curve out a little bit better. So yeah, I mean, might be one of those things where we change back the intake back to the K&N one. It might be too much airflow and it's not going in as smooth. I mean, who knows? It's one of those things where it's a trial and error and you find out. So yeah, we'll do, assuming we're gonna do some more dyno pulls, but yeah, we'll do to see where it goes from there. All right, that's it. We did a few more pulls and we ended up around 297. So pretty much what we ended up on that top, I think it was the fourth or fifth pull, point something of horsepower, which could be heat, you know, could be a lot of things. So car's now dialed in, not having the issue of the check engine light coming on. It was a P231, I believe. Should be running a little bit easier. The power band's gonna be a little more smoother. We got 10 more horsepower out of it. So and I'm still gonna take the car to MCE Racing's dyno, so that way I can compare what has been done here versus there. Obviously the numbers are completely different. Right here, this is saying it's a 298. Last I did it with MCE, they had a 329. So that's a significant, significant difference as far as, power. About 30 horsepower difference. So that's feelable, if anything. But even then, surprised Sean. Sean was pretty excited about it. He was estimating it to do 250, maybe a little bit more. So for it to be close to 300, he thinks that's pretty good. He said on a, or I'm assuming on a good day, good, DA, it's cool air, you probably get that extra 2 horsepower. It's not going to do a whole lot. So fueling could be another thing too. Depends on, if the E85 is E82 or E80 or a little bit less. But yeah, just excited. The car is now fully dialed in. I can actually like full power band, shifting or driving versus holding it back about 5,000 RPM just because I wasn't sure what the top end was going to do. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to throw the graph up here. I'm going to take a photo of it so you guys can see it, but it's really exciting to see where the car kind of landed. And, I feel like at this point we've done everything that we can do to get the car up to its, potential, and with all the mods and with the new fuel pump, we're estimating a 350 crank. So we gained about 10 horsepower. So if we go back to MCE Racing, it should be about 400 if it all reads correctly. I mean, it's been a long time since we've done with them. So I gotta wait till they come do something close and I can go jump on the list and we can do another pull with them. So but until then, thanks guys for watching. Thank you so much, JBA. Come and check them out. Dyno verification stuff. Sean right now, he's not doing a whole lot of tuning. He's very busy. But go and support them at Carnage, their YouTube channel. He's doing a bunch of their stuff for them, and I'm excited to see some of their videos and see what he does. But excellent tuner. He's very open to kind of give you what he's doing, and he cares about the tunes as well. So not that my past tuners didn't, but he just makes sure that your car is running great and running good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and check in with the guys. But again, in San Diego, JBA, they do support me, they support the car and stuff like that. So just so you're aware, And yeah, come and check them out, and hopefully you know, they can do something for you guys, or you know, check out their tire shop. So again, thanks guys. Subscribe, share this with somebody who's looking to maybe do anything that I've done, or you know, reach out to me on Instagram, TikTok, or you know, here on YouTube. I'm happy to help you guys out. So yeah, I'm gonna go drive the car around a little bit and enjoy the tune, and yeah, maybe do some autocross this weekend, and yeah, I'm just trying to see what I can do for the next couple weeks or a couple months, until we know what's going on Racing Bird. So thank you guys again, and we'll see you guys on the next one.